I'm a human being. I know I'm not the only human being that experiences such, but I want to present such as is. 8 hours of sleep is the most magical thing in this world. 8 hours of sleep allows you to be conscious about the fact that you're alive, allows you for your awareness to go up with the proper diet, with the proper habits and proper values that you hold yourself to. You limiting your body, you not giving your body the rest that it needs, you not giving your mental functions, the mental capabilities for it to regenerate, for it to rejuice and really be proper, is you holding yourself back. Your body allows you to live. Your body allows you to really inhabit this physical realm, to really inhabit this physical world for as long as we are here. Give your body that rest. Give your body the necessities to provide you the best experience. And with that positive experience that your body provides to you, build the world that you want to build. Get your 8 hours of sleep. I read this. When I went into first year, I read that Winston Churchill got 8 hours of sleep when he fought the Nazis. 8 hours of sleep when he fought Germany in World War II. How crazy is that? He could do that during World War II, and you can't get 8 hours of sleep because you're watching sports at night, because you're watching porn, you're texting a girl that's not going to text you back, you're doing stuff that ain't pushing you forward, you're wanking off, you're watching YouTube videos, you're not getting your 8 hours of sleep because you're watching YouTube videos, but watch your YouTube videos during your time, in your afternoons, in your mornings, when you're drinking your coffee, in your lunchtime. Watch it other times instead of taken away from your sleep. Don't deprive yourself of that experience in life. You think you're pushing yourself forward, but anything can be paused. People in my life say, I don't have time to read. Nah, it's not you don't have time to read. It's not you don't make time to read. You don't make time for that activity. It's not that that girl doesn't want to see you. It's she's not putting time towards you. She doesn't want to put time towards you because you're not him. She doesn't view you as him. You do not care about your sleep. You deprive yourself of that sleep. Do you hate yourself? Do you really hate yourself? Do you not want the best life for yourself? Do you not want to experience all of life's fruits, all of life's greats, all of life's amazing experiences that are on the way? Do you not want to experience that? I do. I sure do. I get my 8 hours of sleep, and I try to every single night. I try to put that forward because I feel much greater. I feel much more awareness in this life when I do get my hours of sleep, when I do eat healthy, when I do have the proper mindset that I do endeavor and push upon myself. So, take with it what you will, but truly get those 8 hours of sleep. Really grow yourself, man. I want y'all to become the best versions of yourself. This isn't just like a me growth channel. This is a us growth channel. So I love y'all. Take with it what you will. Continue growing.